Good afternoon, Loxinians. Welcome to Spotlight.
Your source for the latest happening at Leander Locsin Integrated School. I am Kenley, joined by the colleagues Balaba and Aba.
As we kick off the new school year, there are some exciting changes that await us. But first, let's reflect on the previous years and acknowledge the hard work and achievements of our students and staff.
Starting this school year, our school day will now begin at 6:30 a.m. Yes, you heard it right. We're starting our days a little earlier, allowing us to maximize our learning and make the most out of our time together.
This decision was made after carefully consideration and consultation with various stakeholders in our school community. It aims to better accommodation the diverse needs and schedules of our students and ensuring a more productive and efficient learning environment.
We're delving into vibrant activities happening within our student community.
Let's chat with Aaron and Eric, who recently completed the work immersion program. How was your experience, dear students?
Hi, ako si John Eric Lupit at nag-work immersion ako sa Southeast Fairview. Mga naranasan ko doon, siguro nung unang araw, napaka big realization sa akin na hindi madali magtrabaho. Katulad na lang nung na-realize ko na pag nasa trabaho ka na, hindi na yung katulad sa mga subject mo na may staff kada titigil, di ba? May mga break time, ganun. Kasi pag nasa trabaho ka na, isa lang ang break time, yung lunch mo lang. At napakahirap nun, ma-realize mo na napakahirap pala ng ganito, no? Para mas madali na lang mag-aral. At na-realize ko na apakahaba pala ng time pag 8 hours na yung ginawa mo. Kasi sa work immersion namin, ang kailangan namin kumpletuhin na oras ay 80 hours. So, bali, kada isang araw, meron kaming kukumpletuhin na 8 hours. At napakahirap nun para sa amin. Kasi students pa lang kami na hindi kinaya nung nung patience ko na puro gawa diretso gawa ganun. Hindi pa sana yung patience ko or yung mentality ko para sa ganung bagay. So, ang mga natutunan ko din is kailangan talaga ng mahabang pasensya, lalo na kapag nagtatrabaho ka na.
Ang natutunan ko, kung paano mag-print sa computer, kung paano gumamit ang laptop, tapos natuto ko maging mapagpasensya, tapos
It's great to see students gaining hands-on experience. We have Ms. Piador, the Vice President of the Student Council. Ms. Piador, what are the successful events of the Student Council?
So, ayun, yung successful na nangyari last year sa under ng term namin is yung teachers month, nagkaroon ng event dyan sa covered court, and masabi naman namin na naging successful yun kasi nakapag-bring kami ng smile sa mga teachers, and yung purpose naman talaga nun is para maramdaman ng mga teachers na they are loved and seen sa mga students, ganyan, na na-appreciate yung mga hard work nila and efforts nila sa pagtuturo sa mga estudyante. And yung last December, nagkaroon po tayo ng gift giving na pinangunahan ng SSLG and yung mga sumusuporta sa ating mga private sectors, private companies. Nagbigay sila ng mga goods like spaghetti and ham, gano'n, na nagamit nila para sa celebration nila sa Christmas. And ngayon na 2024 na, i-expect natin na magkakaroon pa ng iba pang activities na ngayon, kasi ang pwede ko palang i-disclose is magkakaroon po tayo ng juniors night and seniors night. Magkaiba pong event yun. And yung tentative date po is February 16 para sa mga seniors, and sa junior naman is February 23. And gusto ko lang din kunin yung opportunity na to para sabihin na February 2 is yung deadline ng payment, and nagkakahalaga po yung 800 pesos. So, pwede na po tayo mag-start na magbayad sa mga advisors natin or sa mga president natin or kung sino man ang ma-assign na dapat maningil nito. Yun lang po.
Thank you, Ms. Piador, for recalling those successful events with us.
Leaders Theater was in full swing, showcasing
let's hear again from Miss Piador, who recently led the Readers Theater group in a fantastic performance. Miss Piador, tell us about the experience.
Our experience in Readers Theater is it's very fulfilling. Lalo na nung nalaman namin na nag-first place kami sa buong grade 12. Sobrang fulfilling niya kasi ang dami namin pinagdaanan bago kami nakapag-perform. Maalala ko nga parang almost a week lang yung preparation namin doon, pero yung na-prepare namin nun, nalaman namin na mali pala. So parang nag-cram talaga kami na isang araw lang namin pre-practice yung buong performance namin. One day lang namin yun almost pre-practice. Tas yung mga props pa namin, ganon. And din talaga namin inaasahan yung pagkapanalo namin. But we're very grateful sa achievement na yun kasi feeling namin nakapagdala kami ng legacy sa section namin.
It was a blast. Readers Theaters allow us to bring stories to life through voice and expressions.
Sports are more than just games. They teach us discipline, teamwork, and resilience. It's about striving to be better, both individually and as a team. Volleyball is a big part of our school. Let's talk to Dwayne. He volunteered in our volleyball team in their training. Tell us your experience, Dwayne.
Nag-try out ako sa volleyball team dahil gusto kong masubukan ng kanilang training. At gusto kong ma-experience ang training nila dahil isa akong basketball player. Pagka-training ko naman, di naman siya masyadong mahirap at di rin siya masyadong madali. Kung parang katamtaman lang, katulad ng di naman sa basketball, may pagkapareho lang naman sila onte. Pero kung ano talaga yung kinahiligan mong sports, doon ka talaga dapat, hindi ka mababagay sa ibang sports. Pag ayaw mo yung sports na yun, huwag mo munang subukan. Pero pwede mo naman subukan pag gusto mo rin talagang dalawa sports mo. Kaya mag-training ka na rin. All goods.
Before we let you go, there will be a short video about our sponsorship. We would highly appreciate to support our sponsorship because to them, there will be no spotlight news in our school community.
Gusto mo ba magkaroon ng bongga-bongga hairbound? Bumili ka na ng Joy Glow, nakakaganda at nakaka-healthy ng buhok.
That wraps up today's segments on the corporate activities of Leander Roxin Integrated School.
Stay tuned to Spotlight for more news and updates. I am Lee.
And I'm Balaba.
And I am Trisha.
Thank you for tuning in.